research scientist here at Bode Technology, and today I'm going to go over how to use Bode PunchPrep to prepare samples for ID direct amplification. When you receive your Bode PunchPrep reagents, each box contains 12 vials. Each vial is sufficient enough for 100 reactions. And as well, you will receive your Bode PunchPrep instructions, which look just like this. It's double-sided. One side explains the identifiler direct amplification procedure, and the other side is for PowerFlex 16HS. Today we're going to go over how to use Bode PunchPrep with identifiler direct. So the very first step in this process, you will need a 96 well amplification tray, and the very first thing you want to do is place your tray under an ionizing fan. We recommend doing so for 5 to 10 minutes, as this helps to eliminate static. So what you would do is simply turn on your ionizing fan, place the tray under the fan, and set your timer for 5 to 10 minutes, whichever you prefer. And once that time has elapsed, simply remove your tray from the ionizing fan and place it into a tray base. So now your tray is ready to receive punches. For this demonstration, we're going to use a 1.2 millimeter Harris puncher, but this procedure can be automated using the BSD 600 instrument. So all you're going to do is remove your buccal collector from its outer packaging and pull back the slider to expose the collection paper. Remove the base, place it right on the cutting mat. You have your 1.2 millimeter puncher, and place it into each punch into the appropriate well, like so. And for these purposes, I'm going straight down the first column, and once you're done, set your buccal collector aside and move on to the next one. Be sure to move punches from as close to the tip as possible when you're doing this procedure. And now, that concludes the manual punching portion. Next, you're ready to add your 2 microliters of Bode PunchPrep solution. Now, once you receive your Bode PunchPrep reagents, they should be stored at 4 degrees C in the refrigerator, and when you're ready to use it, simply remove one from the box, and I've already done so here. Before you use Bode PunchPrep, make sure you mix it properly by gentle vortex and spinning the solution down just to get the liquid off the cap. And now you're ready to add your PunchPrep to the punches. So I'm going to set my pipette to 2 microliters. And add 2 microliters of Bode PunchPrep directly to the punch. finished adding your Bode PunchPrep solution to the tray, make sure you check the tray to ensure that all of the punches are in at the bottom of the well and in the Bode PunchPrep solution. Once you've confirmed this, and in the event that some of the punches are still on the sides of the well, you can always simply take a pipette tip and just go into the well and kind of push the punch down to the bottom to make sure that it's in the Bode PunchPrep solution. Next thing you're going to do is set your heat block to 70 degrees Celsius and place the plate on top of the heat block for 20 minutes. Once the 20 minutes has elapsed, you then remove the plate from the heat block, and again check the tray to make sure that all of the punches are dry and to confirm that the solution has evaporated during your incubation time. And once you've done so, then you're ready to add your amplification reagents next. Now this part of the procedure, of course, would take place in a PCR hood. You would follow the manufacturer's recommendations for preparing the master mix, and I've already done so here. And make sure you mix the solution by vortex and spinning it down gently. And then I'm going to add 25 microliters of the master mix solution to each well. Once you've added your master mix to all of the appropriate wells, you're ready to seal your amplification tray. You can use strip caps in this case. Just make sure that each individual well is appropriately sealed, so during amplification there's no evaporation. And finally, once I can remove the tray and the base, here we go. Finally, you want to spin down the tray using a centrifuge to ensure that all of the liquid and the punches are at the bottom of the well during amplification. And then you're ready to place your tray on the thermocycler, and that's it. Thank you for listening, and please let us know if you have any questions. You're gonna have to